Have you always wondered what happened behind the scene of a growing YouTube channel? Every week, I want to let you know that every week YouTube sends me my YouTube weekly analytics and reports, and trust me, they are here already. And today, I'm taking inside my channel's performance so you can see what worked, what flopped, and the surprising video that blew up this week. So let's dive in. So this week I uploaded about 7 new videos and 2 shorts. Altogether, my channel got about 258 people visiting, and to me, that's a huge encouragement. Now, how did people find my channel? One of the ways was shorts feed, which is the algorithm for shorts, and it was a very big driver for me this week. And that's followed by YouTube homepage. So each content I post always appears on the YouTube homepage. And then people clicking directly through open features. Okay, my top videos that were watched include this lady made $20,000 on one Facebook video. That is followed by what's the best YouTube setting for video visibility, and then followed by I hacked a viral video using my own phone video editing tutorial. And here's a quick snapshot. I got about 128 likes, so an improvement in my engagement, 14 comments and 2 shares. Okay, but the clear winner this week was my most watched video, and that was $20,000 Facebook video breakdown. Now, this is my favorite part of the weekly report, because growth is one thing, but community is everything. I want to take a moment to appreciate some of my loyal subscribers and the channels that have been showing me love. They've been leaving comments, likes, supporting me in terms of views. So right now, I'll be calling out the channel's name one by one. First on that list, I have a Prophet KK the Berock. Prophet KK the Derock. Thank you so much, sir. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. May God bless your ministry as you support my channel. May God bless your ministry. And I have Zainab Sally. Zainab Sally. So that's Zainab Sally. Alright, so she's into cooking. Zainab Sally, I tried tasting your meal one day. Which I could just taste your meal one day. Don't worry, I will shoot a video for you if you send me one of your meals. I really appreciate your engagement. Thank you. I have ROJ Gamer X457. At ROJ Gamer, one love, bro. Thank you so much for engaging on my channel, ROJ Gamer. And then I have ZC Clopaka. ZC Clopaka. And his channel handle is Power Contour. He's a gamer. Thank you so much, bro. Thank you so much, bro. I have blessing on 1 year. Blessing on 1 year. I've been seeing all you've been doing. Thank you so much, blessing in 1 year. As you can see, everyone I've mentioned here, I've also subscribed to their channels. Let's grow together, guys. I have to appreciate Victory Olatunde, and that's the person of my wife. As well, I appreciate Salom Michaels Amega. Salom Michaels Amega. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your engagement. And as well, Vibe with Peter. Vibe with Peter, which is my other channel. Go and subscribe to that channel. As well, I want to appreciate the Ideal Spouse. The Ideal Spouse, which is our marriage and relationship channel, for engaging on my posts. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm grateful. Thank you. Alright, guys. So, thank you so much for being part of my creation journey. And I'm not taking your engagement, your support for granted. Alright. Thank you so much, guys. So, in terms of breakdown for this week, I have upload, view, shoutout, and lessons learned. These are one of the things I featured this week. Alright, so I've already featured the screen recording, and I want to stick around by next week, and I want to let you know that your channel may even be on the shoutouts list. Thanks so much, guys, for watching. Subscribe to this channel now. Like, comment, and share. Peace. So, guys, don't lose motivation for content creation. Keep creating, keep posting. Your day is coming. Have you always wondered what happened behind the scene of a growing